Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. For today's video, let's unbox and swatch ORLY Philippines' 4th PR kit. It's inside this pink paper bag. And we have this. Can't get enough? Grab your passport to paradise and get ready for the island hopping adventure you've been craving. Shimmering blues and rich greens transport you to a lush tropical isle. Watch as the iridescent peach and pink sunrise welcome you to a day spent basking in the sunbeams. We have Serves You Right, Can't Get Enough, Simply Zest, and lastly, we have this ORLY's 180 grit nail file. So now, let's swatch. First, we have this Serves You Right. Now, I'm applying the second coat. And I'm applying the third coat. Dreaming of a tropical island? Channel the waves with this electric blue shimmer. This shade is semi-sheer. Wear it alone for a subtle blue hue or wear it over your favorite breathable shades for a shimmering finish. Second to swatch is Can't Get Enough. Now for the second coat. Set that out of the office and hit the sand. This iridescent pink shimmer is the ultimate vacation shade. This shade is a semi-sheer. Wear it alone for a shimmering manicure or pair it with your favorite breathable creme shade to take your color to the next level. Lastly, we have this Simply Zest. Now for the second coat. Light lime green with a satin shimmer finish. This color is Simply Zest. And there we have the 3 shades. I'm really loving these 3 shades and their names are so fun. These 3 are from their island hopping collection in ORLY's breathable line. Plus they're so travel friendly because they're in their newest 11 ml bottles. You can get these shades at ORLY's official Shopee and Lazada pages. Links will be available on the description box below. Plus, don't forget to check out their official Instagram and Facebook pages. Thank you so much, ORLY Philippines, for sending me this PR kit. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!